how to locate Steam library in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Steam right here. And then once we open our Steam, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the top left corner of the screen and then click this Steam. Once you click that, click these settings right here. So once you click settings, I want you to scroll down until you see storage. Now, once you click storage right here, on this part, click this three dots and then click browse folder. Now, once you click that, this file explorer will pop up on your screen. And then this is where you will find all of the folders of your games. But as you can see right here, I don't have any games yet, so I don't have any folders right here. But if you have a game or if you have downloaded some games, you will see it right here. So it's up to you whether what you want to do with them. But that is basically it. That is how to locate Steam library on Windows 11.